Hello and welcome to another one of our little videos. We were just passing through Skipton on our way to Burnsall, so we decided to stop in at Embsay, but there was nothing running. So we had a look round the yard. It was freezing, it was cold, it was wet, it was windy. The sun had come out, then it would go back in again. Anyway, everything was nicely housed in the sheds, ready for the next outing of the Polar Express. So we decided to expand our look a little bit further. And as you can see, the sky was very heavy. There's a lot of coal being used. That Polar Express has been mighty busy. Some nice pieces there too. It's amazing how much fuel they go through. Then you wonder why the tickets are the cost that they are. And that truck has had a good bashing, carrying things. The metal survived, but the wood's gone rotten. And got some hefty pieces of equipment in the yard here. And let's have a look at some of the old rolling stock that they've got. And they've got a sleeper coach, and I believe that's used for the volunteers who perhaps work weekend and what have you. The workshop, nicely modern and rebuilt. Well, they didn't have one, they built it. And then this ex-British Railways steam crane, 15 tonner. I think it was built in 1962, correct? And I think it finished its services with British Rail in 1988. It's amazing that even at that late stage that it was steam driven. But I suppose in the 60s there was a lot of coal available and there was water on the line readily available. But looking at the little engine that's at the back here, the piston, it seems to have a very short stroke. Perhaps that was to give it the running power to lift up the 15 tons. Now, what they did with these things, I don't know. I don't think it would be adequate to lift an engine up if it had got derailed. Perhaps two of them would be needed. But the stainless steel on the buffer there, that survived, and it looks in good condition too. It's quite a hefty piece of gear, that. And gunpowder, that makes you think. And this little engine, ex-National Coal Board, area number 4. I've tried to look up where area number 4. That's perhaps a previous gunpowder carriage, and that's how it's finished up. Anyway, back to the engines and the stock in the yard here. That's in very nice condition. That all greased up, ready for the winter. Whether they use that regularly now, I don't know. I'd like to know where number 4 area is. There's various areas come up when you look on the internet. Anyway, I think it was a Bartlett built engine, that. And at the end we got a rainbow.